G'day and welcome back to Travels with Wyss. Well, before you buy your next caravan, there's one decision that could save you thousands and thousands of dollars, and another that can save you lots of tears. Question is, do you buy from a dealer or direct from the manufacturer? After 25 years building caravans in Australia, I'm going to explain the real pros and cons of both, and there's one rule every buyer should know before paying a deposit. Also, a huge bonus tip at the end of this, which can protect you from disaster. So let's start with buying through a dealer. Now, the biggest advantage is legal responsibility. In Australia, the dealer becomes the point of sale, which means the responsibility for warranty under Australian consumer law lies with them. If something goes wrong, your contract is with the dealer. If you have aftermarket accessories fitted by the dealer, it's their responsibility for warranty too. Another advantage is convenience. Dealers often handle finance, manage trade-ins, carry display stock, have lots of accessories, have showrooms you can visit, and they usually attend caravan shows, and most are open 6 days a week. That means you can often see multiple brands in one place and physically walk through the vans before making a decision. The buying process is fairly straightforward. Typically you will pay a deposit when you order, balance when you take delivery, and for many buyers that simply makes the process comfortable. However, there are a few cons, and some of the downsides to buying through a dealer is, well, the biggest one is communication. The dealer is effectively the middleman between you and the manufacturer, and that means every request, every change, every question has to pass through another layer of communication. Sometimes the dealer may say, yes, we can do that, but later the manufacturer says no. That can create confusion or disappointment, and sometimes a huge surprise at the time of delivery. Another factor is price. Dealers need to make a margin to operate the business. They have showrooms, staff, stock and marketing costs. Inventory isn't cheap. It costs them lots of money, and most run floor plans. So naturally that margin has to be built into the price of the caravan. There's also the issue of product knowledge. A dealer can explain the caravan, but they're usually describing the manufacturing process second hand, and they're not always up to date with changes the manufacturers have made. They didn't build it. And one more thing that catches a lot of buyers out. If you buy at a caravan show, the salesperson you deal with may not be there when you pick up the caravan months later. You may even be surprised to know they only work at the shows. So the pro tip here is always get agreements in writing. He said, she said only creates possible friction and disappointments and just doesn't cut the mustard. That happens more often than people realise. Now let's talk about buying directly from the factory. First off, you could save money with no middleman. However, the biggest advantage is direct communication. You're dealing with the people who actually built the caravan. That means they know the product inside out. They can explain exactly how things are built. They can give clear advice about what works and what doesn't. And if you want to make changes or customise something, you're speaking directly to the decision makers. Another big advantage here is handover and service. If something isn't quite right during pickup, and it often isn't, you're already at the factory. Often it can be fixed immediately. There are no middlemen and no waiting for approvals. Warranty responsibility is also very clear. You bought the caravan direct from the builder, so they are responsible. But buying direct from the factory also has its drawbacks. The first one is location. Caravans are built all over Australia. You may need to travel a long way to inspect or collect your caravan. Factories also usually don't carry large amounts of stock. Most caravans are built to order. That means you may have less opportunity to see completed models before buying. Another limitation, of course, is trade-ins. Most manufacturers don't take trade-ins, unlike the dealers. Finance is also less common. Factories generally don't organise finance packages, and one more important point. When you buy direct, most manufacturers will expect full payment once the caravan is completed. Here's a bonus tip. I promise you this one will save you thousands, and is a very important tip. Do not pay more than a 10% deposit. The only exception might be a fully custom caravan with unusual specifications. And here's something I strongly recommend after decades in the industry. Never agree to progress payments. It's not your responsibility to finance the manufacturer's business. I've personally seen too many cases where people made progress payments, the company went into administration, and those customers lost tens of thousands of dollars. They lost their money. They lost months of their lives. They never received a caravan. Their dreams were shattered. So whether you choose a dealer or a factory, the key is understanding how the system works before you sign anything. Both methods can work well, but knowing the pros and cons will help you make a much smarter decision. Now I want to leave you with one final thing: like, subscribe and